Speedbird 851, turn right heading 180. Order 14 Papa, turn right 245, report localizer established 27.
Hello everyone, welcome to DJ's Aviation. As the news continues to come out, late nights mixed with very long sleeps and a weird body clock have become the normal for me. In today's video, I have pictures which show off another Airbus A330neo customer. The Wow Air A330-900, which of course is better known simply as the A330neo, has entered final assembly at the airframe's headquarters in Toulouse, France. The budget carrier based in Iceland disclosed in 2017 that they would lease 4 A330-900s for its fleet rather than purchase them outright. These A330-900s are set to be equipped with the Rolls-Royce Trent 7000 engines. These 4 A330neos will be delivered as time goes on, and the airline has said the first one, which of course is going into final assembly right now, will be delivered and entered into service by the end of this year. Wow Air have an Airbus fleet only and operate the likes of the A320-200, the new A320neo, the A321, and then the A321neo for its short to medium haul operations. With the A330-300, they currently use these on the longer flights. These A330-900s, which are expected soon, will accompany the A330-300s and help expand Wow Air's operations. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to drop it a like, and if you're new to the channel and liked what you saw, of course the subscribe button is always there. I'd like to take the time now to thank you very much for watching this video of mine. Also a huge thanks for 43,000 subscribers, and I do hope to see all of you in the next one.
I will fly.